Hello friends, today I have come to Panchmura in Bankura district, where there is a unique place, Panchmura's Vrindavan, also known as Tridhara Milan Mandir. Many people call this place the mini Vrindavan of Bankura. Today I will take you around this sacred spot, its history and its beauty. Look, this is the famous Tridhara Milan Mandir. Here, Vaishnav, Shaiva, and Shakta, the three religious traditions, have come together. That's why it is called Tridhara. In the same temple courtyard, Lord Sri Krishna, Goddess Kali, and Lord Shiva are all worshipped together. This is the most unique feature of this place. This place feels very peaceful to me. Whenever I come here, my mind becomes completely fresh. If you ever visit Bankura, you must come to Panchmura's Vrindavan at least once.